The Adventures of Nutmeg's Eco-Super Squad. In the heart of Willow Woods, Nutmeg the squirrel was gathering acorns near the sparkling stream when she noticed something troubling. The usually clear water was now littered with plastic wrappers, bottles, and cans. The sight made Nutmeg's heart sink. "This isn't right," she thought. "Our home is in danger." Nutmeg scampered to her friends for help. She found Benny the bunny hopping around a patch of wildflowers, Finn the fox lounging under a shady tree, and Owlivia, the wise owl, perched high in a pine tree. "We need to save our forest," Nutmeg declared. "There's trash everywhere, and we can't let it stay like this." Benny twitched his nose. "What can we do, Nutmeg?" Nutmeg's eyes sparkled with determination. "We'll form the Eco Super Squad. Benny, your fast hops can help collect litter quickly. Finn, your sharp nose can sniff out trash hiding in the bushes. And Owlivia, you can fly high and spot the biggest piles from above. I'll plant new seeds to help the forest grow back strong." With a cheer, the friends set off. Benny dashed around the forest, scooping up trash with his quick paws and dropping it into a woven basket. He moved so fast, it seemed like the litter was disappearing in an instant. Meanwhile, Finn trotted along the stream's edge, using his keen sense of smell to find trash hidden under leaves and rocks. "Found another bottle!" he barked, wagging his tail. Nutmeg came over and picked it up, smiling at their teamwork. Above them, Owlivia glided gracefully through the sky. "I see a big pile of garbage near the old willow tree," she hooted, her sharp eyes scanning the forest. The squad hurried over with Benny leading the way, his fluffy tail bouncing behind him. Once they reached the spot, they all worked together to clean up. Nutmeg gathered the trash, while Benny and Finn carried it away. With the area cleared, Nutmeg pulled out her pouch of seeds. She dug small holes with her paws and planted each seed carefully. "These will grow into strong trees and beautiful flowers," she said, patting the soil gently. As the sun dipped below the horizon, the forest sparkled once more. The stream ran clear, and the air felt fresh. Nutmeg looked around, proud of what they had accomplished. Gathering by the restored stream, the Eco Super Squad shared a moment of triumph. "We did it!" Benny cheered, his ears twitching with excitement. "But our mission isn't over," Nutmeg reminded them. "We have to keep our forest clean and teach others to do the same." The friends nodded, ready for whatever challenges lay ahead. With hearts full of pride and determination, they knew that together they could protect their home. As the stars began to twinkle above, Nutmeg smiled at her friends. "Today, we saved our forest. Tomorrow, who knows? Maybe the whole world."